I'm Don, I'm with Lifetime Quality Roofing. I'm out here today on Robert's roof. I'm going to be attempting a repair. Today is October 7th, it's 57 degrees. His claim number is 3549 W067G. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to finish loosening the shingles, remove the nails, and I have the shingle highlighted. It's already broken, so this is the one I'm going to be removing and repairing. Did pull an ITEL. It came back as Aspen Gray. So I went and picked it up from Willoughby Supply. And now I'm going to insert the shingle and nail it down. A few things with this repair. Number one is the adhesive. Some of it is stuck to the shingles above it. Most of these shingles were either fully unsealed or mostly unsealed when I began the repair. And what that's known as is mat transfer. What happens is the adhesive sticks to the shingle above it, makes it very difficult for these shingles to reseal. If a new windstorm comes through, they're going to be very susceptible to wind damage. Number two is granule loss. If you can see, every time I lifted a shingle to put a nail in, there was significant granule loss on each tab. Number three, there is a little bit of creasing at the top of the shingles, probably from being unsealed and the wind coming through, as well as having to lift the shingles to nail and repair the shingle that I repaired. For these reasons, in my professional opinion, I believe this repair attempt has failed. I do not believe that this roof is repairable.